Okay, my first day here at the club. I become a member yesterday. Trying to get my rifle sight, and I got here my Bushmaster with a GL Max stock made in Israel. Vortex Strike Fire Generation 1. I painted in camo, love it. And I got over here my recently purchased Anderson, which I love it, with also Vortex Strike Fire, but a very slim rail with also muzzle brake. These have the regular muzzle brake, and it's a standard A2 muzzle brake. So my first day here, I get ready for my weapons, my ammo, my mags, everything set. Just a quick video here, trying to get my weapon sight. I'm here by myself.